Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the profit loss color palette on the Mitrade crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mitrade application on your device, and after you have logged in using your credentials, you will be taken into the home page. Now within the trade section, you will see the profit or loss indicated with the default color. If you wish to change this, then tap on the hub icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on settings at the bottom, and now from the settings page, tap on quote settings. This will now show you the price display as well as the quote settings option. Now underneath you will see the color preference as well. You can choose from 4 different patterns that have been assigned within the application. Just tap on whichever color you prefer to use, and now when you go back, your chosen color palette will be applied right away. You can go back to the hub menu and change these settings from the quote settings once again at any time in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profit loss indicator color preference on the Mitrade crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.